How do you know you're freaking crazy being super, super happy doing the dirtiest job in the store? What do you think about that, Scotty?
You gotta be super crazy doing the dirtiest thing.
Dirtiest job in the store.
You know?
Super happy.
But it gotta get done.
Gotta get done. You know what I have to do? I have to go down my hands and knees and scrub it. You know what I say to myself? Rock and roll, live the dream, super excited. I'm getting all this freaking exercise. You're talking on your knees, that squat. You're talking about, what's that one by Karate Kid? Walk one, walk two, walk one, walk two. I'm gonna do it. Super, super happy. Rock and roll. Monday cleaning my my young friend. This is what we do when we're super happy.
Yep.
Nothing better than cleaning in the morning. Vacation city, party city, live the dream, rock and roll. Bye.